Hello friends, this is Mahita. Welcome to Mahita Smart Education, and today in this video we are going to know the complete books list of UPSC Civil Service Examination for beginners. Without wasting our time, let's start this video. History. History is one of the important subject in UPSC Civil Service exam preparation, and nearly 16 marks in prelims examination are allotted for history, and approximately 85 marks in GS paper 1 are allotted for history subject. Okay, the must read NCRT books for the subject history are 6th class our past 1, 7th class our past 2, 8th class our past 3 part 1 and part 2, Ninth class India and the Contemporary World 1, 10th class India and the Contemporary World 2, 11th class Themes in World History, Focus on Industrial Revolution, and 12th class Themes in Indian History 1 and Themes in Indian History 2, Themes in Indian History 3. And these are the NCRT books. Along with NCRTs, we have to refer Rajiv Spectrum for prelims, and for the mains point of view, we have to refer the Bipin Chandra part 1 and part 2, that is India before Gandhi and India after Gandhi by Ramachandra Guha could be done. Okay, and geography is also one of the important subject in UPSC civil service examination. So must read NCRT books for geography are 6th class The Earth Our Habitat, 7th class Our Environment, 8th class Resources and Development, 9th class Contemporary India 1 and 10th class Contemporary India 2, 11th class Fundamentals of Physical Geography, and 11th class India Physical Environment, and 12th class Fundamentals of Human Geography, 12th class India People and Economy for prelims. And geography, one can do GC Leong ISC certified physical geography, and a good atlas of Penguin publication should be referred. And for mains, NCRTs are sufficient. Okay, let's discuss about the books list of economic subject, and must read NCRT books are 9th class Economics, 10th class Understanding Economic Development, 11th class Indian Economic Development, 12th class Introductory Microeconomic, and 12th class Introductory Macroeconomics, and class 12 Supplementary Reading Material in Economics, Introductory Macroeconomics. And economics prelims, I recommend Sriram IAS along with Ramesh Singh of Tata MC Grahill publications, and Ramesh Singh book is also the bible for economics. And economics mains, having hold on newspaper is very important, and I would recommending following economic times or business standard or mint or selective readings are required. And for the subject of political science, must read NCRT books are 9th class Democratic Politics 1, 10th class Democratic Politics 2, 11th class Indian Constitution at Work, 11th class Political Theory, 12th class Contemporary World Politics, 8th Environmental and Natural Resources, and 12th class Politics in India since independence. And yes, Polity Lakshmikant is the bible for civil service preparation, and needed to be done by heart. 20 readings minimum for prelims. And for mains, I would recommend visiting prsindia.org for continuous tracking of all kinds of legislations proposed, drafted, and passed in Parliament, along with the reports of various committee reports. Along with this, reading newspaper editorials relating to constitution or judicial court judgments, etc., needed to be studied. And for the subject of sociology, must read NCRT books are 12th class Social Change and Development in India for GS mains. Following books are recommended: Indian Society, Ram Ahuja, and Social Problems in India, Ram Ahuja. Culture or Fine Arts, must read NCRT books. Culture and Fine Arts. For Culture and Fine Arts, we have to read 11th class An Introduction to Indian Art for Culture. I would recommend referring to CCRT website or NIOS. The culture notes are good, and current culture events should also track it selectively. And for the subject science, must read NCRT books for science are aspirants are advised to go through at least these selected chapters from the mentioned standard. And from 6th class, ninth chapter, that is the living organisms and their surroundings. And from 7th class, 7th chapter and ninth chapter, they are weather, climate, and adaptations of animals and soil. And 8th class, crop production and management. And from 5th chapter, coal and petroleum. 7th chapter, conservation of plants and animals. 12th chapter, friction. 18th chapter, pollution of air and water. And from ninth class, 14th chapter, natural resources. And 10th class, 14th chapter and 15 16 chapters, that is sources of energy, our environment, and management of natural resources. And along with these NCRTs, from 12th class, biology, unit 10, that is ecology. In ecology, 13th organisms and population, and 14th ecosystem, 15th biodiversity and conservation, 16th environmental issues. These are also covered. And for mains, emphasis must be given on current science events like achievements of ISRO or inventions by BARC, DRDO, and various other Indian institutes. Apart from this, major international inventions and discoveries must also be tracked. Okay, and for ethics, of course, lexicon is very important for ethics. For ethics, one may begin with lexicon, and emphasis has to be given on thinkers, foreign and Indian thinkers, etc. And their teachings must be reflected in the answers and case studies to earn more marks. And along with these books, current affairs and Yojana, Kurukshetra, Down to Earth, Science Report, magazines are also read must be read for the civil service preparation. And of course, these are also important for the preparation, but we can say that Yojana magazine is very important. And if you say that I can read only one magazine, then Yojana is best for you. And along with this, the Hindu newspaper and Times newspapers are also read daily. And if you ask me to tell you only one newspaper, then the Hindu is the best newspaper for civil service preparation. And yes, this is all about the book list of UPSC CSE. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.